trying something new this quarter. I have had students not turn writing assignments in. So I create this writing assignment, magnificent work, by the way, and then I give them a few days in class to work on it, and then some students don't respond. So I started this quarter doing some daily check-ins, kind of. So each day, similar to how I treat myself, give myself a daily writing goal of 430 words, I give my students a daily writing goal, depending on the length of the class period, and for that day, and then maybe 2 minutes before that class is over, they simply copy and paste the progress that they've made that day, and then I give bonus points for that progress. So whatever their progress is, I give them bonus points for that, and then if they met or even surpassed, thank you, surpassed that goal, that writing goal, then I give them more points for that. But the submission of this progress gives me an opportunity to give some feedback, whether it is in the form of encouragement or redirection, or let's fix this run-on sentence, or let's fix this capitalization, let's fix this structure, and all of this type of stuff. So rather than waiting to the end of a whole essay and then having to look at all of these dreadful errors, I can fix the small things in process, so it's an ongoing revision. So it's something that I really do see the benefits of, and I'm going to continue to do it because I think the students also see the benefit of it. They see that little by little bit at a time, a 400 or 500 word essay can be tackled. Day by day, you make some progress, and then you get that encouragement from that progress. And so by the end, you have something that you're proud of, something that's an actual masterpiece. So I highly encourage that. Try it in your classroom and see how the students respond. You never know. They might surprise you. One step at a time, folks.